Let me show you how to use community notes. So once you log into this particular Telegram channel, the first thing is, you want to get to know a little bit of things. So the first thing you do is you do a / and then you type notes. So it's going to give you all the community notes that appear. So you see you have certification, code share, get admin, payment, prerequisite, repo, requirement, rules. Now they will increase with time. So now you have a list of those community names. So for example, you want to talk about certification. So you want to see what are we doing about certification. So you simply come here and say, you put a hashtag and then you type certification, exactly the way it appears. So when you do that, it will tell you, okay, after 8 weeks, you will get a voucher to the AWS Practitioner Certificate, but only for people who are consistent to the end. The others will pay their $100 on their own. So now you know about certification. And then let's talk about things like, let's say requirements. So you want to know requirements for this. Then you simply do a hashtag and then you say requirements. Yeah, then actually it's auto-filled. So you just do requirements. Then it's going to tell you need to have an AWS account. You need to have a medium/dev.to account to do technical writing. You need to have an account with AWS Educate and basic knowledge of computers and have to use it, not necessarily actual coding. So they're very different things. So things like prerequisites, you simply do a hashtag and then you say prerequisites, basically. So it's going to tell you a few things we need to know before we go deep into it. Is we're going to learn basic Linux operations, networking, IP addressing, basic network security, Python, and a scripting language like Python, and then we have to learn a little bit of databases. So this is how community note works. So when you come in and log in and you just want to know about a few things, those are community notes. Community notes will be updated each and every single time, and I hope this has actually taught you how to use the community notes, because I figured a few people were a little bit struggling with community notes. So now you know how to use community notes. Otherwise, thank you.